Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful aromatic world of garlic, one of the most powerful and ancient ingredients in the world. You've probably got some in your kitchen right now, but how much do you really know about it? Stick around. Here are 10 fascinating facts about garlic that might just blow your mind. Fact number 1. Garlic is ancient medicine. Garlic has been used as medicine for over 5,000 years. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese all used garlic to treat infections, boost strength, and even ward off evil spirits. Fact number 2. It was once used as currency. Believe it or not, garlic was so valuable in ancient Egypt that laborers building the pyramids were paid in garlic cloves. That's right, garlic was basically money. Fact number 3. Garlic can help your heart. Modern science backs up garlic's health benefits. Studies show it can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and even prevent heart disease. Not bad for a smelly bulb. Fact number 4. It's a natural antibiotic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. It was even used to treat wounds during World War I and II. Fact number 5. Garlic glows in the dark. Here's a weird one. Sometimes garlic glows blue or green when chopped. This happens due to a chemical reaction between sulfur compounds and enzymes. Especially if it's stored cold, it's perfectly safe, just a little spooky. Fact number 6. Vampires beware. Ever wonder why garlic is associated with warding off vampires? That legend goes back to Eastern European folklore, where people believed garlic's strong smell could repel evil. Fact number 7. It grows in the wild. Garlic isn't just a farm crop. Wild garlic grows naturally in forests and meadows in Europe and Asia. It's totally edible and gives off that same garlicky aroma when crushed. Fact number 8. Garlic breath is real. And stubborn? We all know garlic breath is real. But did you know it can stay in your body for up to 48 hours? That's because allicin breaks down into sulfur compounds that linger in your bloodstream. Fact number 9. Garlic is technically a vegetable. Botanically speaking, garlic is a vegetable, part of the allium family along with onions, leeks, and shallots. But in cooking, it's treated more like a herb or spice. Fact number 10. There's a garlic festival. Every year, thousands of garlic lovers gather at the Gilroy Garlic Festival in California, the world's largest celebration of garlic. They serve garlic ice cream, garlic beer, and even garlic desserts. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about garlic. Whether you're cooking with it, curing a cold, or just trying to keep vampires at bay, garlic is truly one of a kind. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite garlic dish? Until next time, stay curious.